attending the workshop is fantastic. I'm actually going back with significant value that I can hit the ground running with new ideas, new ways of working. My name's Adam Wilmot. I'm a solution architect at hackerone. Work for a hacker-powered security company. The drive for me as a solution architect to evolve is to become more efficient. And to become more efficient, I need to be better prepared, have better knowledge, and a workshop like this is beneficial from my perspective because we're working through real-life worked examples that I can apply to my job. So as we're running through scenarios, I can picture that in my work life, how I could use new ways of working, and then I can apply that to my team. I think one key element from the workshop is taking automations to the next level. We've already got a Monday board set up next week with our ideas of what we want to achieve. So we're going to take these things back to the team and go, we've seen these great ideas, we've seen these new ways of working, we're going to start changing our kind of professional services board in a way that we can be more efficient and scale better. So effectively, coming to conferences like this just gives us infinite ideas to be able to be more creative and work more efficiently.